Hi guys, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video, I'll be planting some new seeds. Let's get into it. Okay, before I start planting new seeds, I just wanna go over some chilies and cayenne peppers. Let's go to do that quick. Okay, I'm back now. So as you saw, I harvest the cayenne pepper and the chilies. So you saw that I harvest now the chilies and the cayenne pepper because I need more cayenne pepper trees because I only have that few in front. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to use the seeds and plant the seeds of this. So I'm going to take a bite of this to taste how strong it is. Okay, so it's not that strong. It tastes like a bell pepper. Anyways, let's get planting. First I'm going to start off with is the carrots. So with carrots, you want to plant them directly into the ground or the pot where it's going to grow in because they don't do well with transplanting. Okay, so I'm going to plant it all over now, and then as time come I'll let it grow, and then once it hits, like when the carrot starts forming, I'll pull some of the smaller ones out so that the others can grow more. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill this up with soil and I'll show you the rest of the seeds I'll be planting. Okay, so now that's done. So here is, this is 84 pods. So what I'm going to do is 7 down like this and 12 across. So I'm going to plant 7 seeds of each down. Okay, so I'm going to plant now some lettuce. Next up is going to be the Swiss chard. Then I'm going to plant now some baby spinach. Then some turnips. Then the beetroot. Next up is the basil. Tomatoes. And then eggplants. And then next up is the cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put spinach and Swiss chard in these three and then water them. So guys, if you would like your garden to be featured in my next video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button, follow me on Instagram, and tag me in the picture you want to be featured in my next video. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, consider subscribing, comment down below if you have any questions for me and I could help you out. So thank you guys. Backyard out.